Consider the following situations. Which of them describes mutually exclusive events? Which describe independent events? And which describe dependent events? John and Jack both enter a race. John wins. Think about this situation. They're both in a race, and John wins the race. If John wins the race, then Jack can't win the race. They can't both win the race, so we have a mutually exclusive situation. A coin is tossed and a dice rolled. The outcome is head 4. So we had a coin, and when we tossed it, we got a head. On the dice, we rolled and got a 4. Clearly, whatever happens on the coin cannot affect the dice, and vice versa. This, therefore, is an independent situation. Getting a head on the coin can't possibly affect the roll of the dice, and the roll of the dice can't possibly affect the toss of the coin. In a dice game, Alan will win if he rolls a 5 or a 6. If he gets a 5 or a 6, he'll win the game. If he gets a 1, 2, 3 or 4, he'll lose. He can't both win and lose, so this is a mutually exclusive situation. A bag contains some red discs and some blue discs. 2 discs are going to be picked from the bag. Case 1 is the first disc is replaced before the second is chosen. The second is chosen after the first disc is replaced, so the bag is exactly the same before the second disc is chosen. That means we're in an independent situation. If we're picking from the same bag, and there's the same number of discs in the bag, then the probabilities will not have changed. However, if the first disc is not replaced before the second is chosen, then the bag is going to be different. It has a different number of discs in the bag. These probabilities are therefore dependent or conditional on what happened on the first pick.